doing bacon again. Set it to 7 minutes on medium. Bacon. Is this different bacon than last time?
I don't think so.
And she's actually decided to do the eggs inside. So you got the eggs and the bacon cooking at the same time.
Yeah, the eggs are kind of already done, but they can just sit on, off and keep warm.
And we'll have bacon and eggs done about the same time.
This was something I wanted to add in that video we did.
Of the
The
review.
pros and cons. When you open the lid, when it says it's ready, it automatically starts counting down the timer. To me, it shouldn't do that until you've closed the lid and all your food is on the grill.
Or you push start.
Yeah.
And it's got a little start button right here.
So now what was the minutes you had set it on?
7 minutes.
So I got done and there was right at 5 minutes.
Yeah. And this is one of those other things that would be nice to customize. Like we could do a bacon one. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. That smells good.
I wonder if the neighbors can smell it.
I know the dogs probably can.
You know, it's just a beautiful morning. The dogs are out doing dog stuff.
She's probably gonna pee. You don't want to show that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably get banned. Perfect bacon again. And we had to add more time to it. So we went from 7 to, it's probably 10 minutes. So I think 10 minutes would have just have been about perfect for the bacon on medium. And here are the eggs. And there's the bacon. And there's the eggs. And how long do you think it took? 10 minutes for both? 15 minutes?
Yeah, I mean, I cooked the eggs before because I knew the bacon would be quicker. So.
All right. We're going to enjoy some breakfast. And there we have it. Breakfast again.